Manifestation, we all know, is about visualizing a deep desire and trying to do whatever it takes, of course, ethically and professionally correct, to achieve that. Customer success is about keeping the customer at the center of everything that we do. And if you're able to do that, our job roles eventually and automatically becomes as much successful. If I am successful as a customer facing professional, my team eventually, following that same principle, becomes successful. My organization and business becomes successful, and our customers keep doing repeat business with us. It's a continued journey of sustained collaboration that's financially beneficial both ways. So this is what summarizes the philosophy behind the concept of manifest customer success. Have a look at our website, which is manifestcustomersuccess.com.